Are you ready to face your fear? We're making cornbread with a secret ingredient under the towel.
Whoa.
I'm excited.
Oh. I'm Andrew, aka Arfid Andrew.
And I'm Chef Mary. Flour, and it goes.
Okay, and boom.
Boom. Cornmeal.
Whoa. I don't think I've ever seen cornmeal before.
I am so excited to be exposing you to all these things. And
Dump
it
it?
goes. Yep. Wow. I'm looking at this and I'm guesstimating there's about like a quarter of a teaspoon. So we're not even gonna worry.
Yeah.
That didn't even
happen. You guys didn't see anything.
Right.
Okay.
In. So that's
Success.
2. You know what this is for? This.
Oh.
Isn't that cool?
Yes.
And it goes. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. There it goes.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. This is definitely very comfortable for me. Nothing yet.
Don't mix yet. That's
Okay.
the secret. When you add in wet ingredients, you just add them all in and then mix. So now we're adding melted but cool butter. We don't want it to cook the eggs, so
Okay.
we keep it nice and cool but also melted.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Actually, we're gonna wait on the milk because it's cold. And you know what happens with cold milk and butter?
No, what?
It solidifies it.
That makes
right?
sense.
So we're gonna wait until the very last ingredient. How are you with cracking eggs? Do you eat eggs?
So I can eat eggs. Like on
Yeah.
a breakfast sandwich, I'll do like bacon, egg, and cheese, but with 1 egg. I don't like things that are too eggy.
Oh, that
Yes.
that actually makes a lot of sense. So how are you with cracking?
I can crack an egg. Okay.
Actually, that's why we do it in a separate bowl. So
I
don't
see.
even worry about it.
Oh, but I didn't get shell in
You
there.
did great. If you were to have gotten shell in there, then the exterior broken shell will go through the egg white and pull out the shell. It's really cool.
Wow.
See how there's a point here?
Yeah.
So that's what I use to scrape the bowl.
Okay, that makes sense.
But when I'm mixing, I go the other direction and I use the less pointy side.
Oh yeah.
Done. Take your cornbread filling and you pour it into a measuring cup. We're gonna pour it.
Looks very interesting. For some reason,
That
that freaked me out for the way it poured. But before that, I was thinking, oh, it looks good. But just
but
like that.
Instead of watching this, you're gonna watch this, okay?
Okay.
So by blocking kind of that uncomfortable feeling and housing it in here, it makes it easier.
Oh my God, I'm doing it. Thanks to you, I'm doing it.
I'm so excited. This is what we call our safe cornbread. This is something that you can do, especially when you're challenging yourself. You can create a base recipe that's your comfort, and then you can take the second half of the batter and you can add something different that you want to try. But there is a classic cornbread recipe that's actually called spoon bread. I'm from Oklahoma, so this is where I learned about spoon bread. Do you think this is going to be a safe food or an enemy food?
Definitely an enemy food. Otherwise, it wouldn't be hidden from me.
That's right. I'm so excited.
All right, let's
you
see
ready?
it. Let's see it. What is that?
Green chilies, also known as jalapenos, and deliciousness.
In cornbread?
In cornbread. The cornbread is sweet. We're gonna be adding some cheddar cheese and some jalapenos. So you get sweet, salty, and spicy in one delicious house.
I'm feeling good about this, the cheddar cheese.
Yep.
But this, I'm like, what the heck?
If you have company over that have food sensitivities like Andrew, you can make a basic batch and then you can make an elevated advanced batch. And you don't have to make 2 batters. You make 1 batter 2 ways, a basic version and an advanced version. There's gonna be a bit of a smell. So what I recommend, smell your shirt. So anytime your nose gets that smell in it, a way to get that smell out is you just smell your shirt. If you get overwhelmed, that's what we're gonna do. So, how you doing?
That looks nasty. That looks so nasty. Like,
Smell. There.
oh,
Okay.
Downy.
And I'm gonna swirl it in. I know. You want to put this up there?
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
there.
I'll just put it
there
up
we
here.
go. I like it.
this.
Yeah.
So far, so good. This looks great.
Because this looks great,
Uh-huh.
we're gonna make one with green chilies. Yes. So then we're creating a safe food and a new food and a, what did you call it?
High enemy food.
A high enemy food. We're gonna make
Dangerous.
one. Okay, ready? Are you closing your eyes? Here we go. There we go. I mixed it. It's done. It's done. It's done. So delicious.
This is what I would find in a nightmare for me. I'm really excited. I could tell that one is the yes, that one's
that's it.
That's the enemy one, but
Yeah.
these look incredible. I can't wait to try the one with cheese. Never had cheese and cornbread before. It's going to be great.
I'm excited for you.
I'm going to break this one in half and take a bite.
I mean, it's so hot.
Whoa. Cheers.
Cheers. Ready?
Mhm.
Here we go. What do you think? So good.
Fire. Really good. I've never had cornbread like with cheese like this, but it looks really good. I'm gonna rip it in half. Here we go.
Here we go. You really went for it. That was the biggest bite ever.
Mm-hmm.
That was so big.
Well.
Oh, good.
Let's try the high enemy one.
Oh my God. You're making me nervous. This is the one with green chilies and cheese. And
yeah,
so,
I don't like chilies. I don't like chilies.
I know. I
It's really
think
crazy.
this is going to be, in my opinion, I feel like this is really low on the 0 to 10. So
Yeah.
what are you feeling?
10 being
best.
Yeah, the best. 0. This is gonna be like a 2 or 1. I mean, I think Oklahoma, you're kind of crazy for doing
No,
this.
it's so delicious.
Okay.
It's so delicious.
All right, we'll break it in half and we'll say, whoa.
Okay, I can see them.
Okay.
I can see them.
Yeah.
There it is.
There it is right there.
There's that chili.
Okay, I'm gonna take a bite.
Oh my gosh, you were so brave. I just am so proud. But I have everything's
Yeah, I
ready
smell
for
it. Oh,
Every-
I'm gonna.
Are you sure?
Okay. Uh-huh. Oh.
There it is. There it
Oh.
is. There it is.
Hold on, let me try to.
Work through it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh.
There, you got it. You got it. You don't have to. Oh my gosh, you guys, he's so brave.
I did it!
You did it!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. That was. If you like spicy, like Mexican food, you're gonna love that.
I mean, it's so delicious for me and so many people that love that crazy, sweet, salty, spicy flavor. So thank you so much. Now, here, do you want safe food? Do you want
Yeah,
safe?
a little chaser.
Yeah,
Bite.
chaser, like a nice, delicious, happy cornbread. There we go. We ended on a safe note. I'm so proud of you.
The enemy version of the cornbread with the chilies in it is probably like a 4.
Oh my
A 4
God!
out of 10. The actual cornbread
Wow.
with cheese, the cheese, whew, it's like a 9 out of 10. Really good cornbread. Like really good
Amazing.
cornbread.